Hello friends! Welcome back to the God-gifted school. Today we're going to meet the tallest animal on earth, the beautiful giraffe. Are you ready? Meet the giraffe. This is Gigi. Gigi is 18 feet tall as 3 humans stacked together. Her entire body is covered with beautiful brown spots. Every giraffe has different spots, just like your fingerprints. Look at her long neck. It has 7 bones, the same number as your neck, but much bigger. Gigi lives in the African savanna. There's tall grass, acacia trees, and lots of sunshine here. Giraffes share their home with elephants, zebras, and lions. Giraffes are vegetarians. Gigi loves acacia leaves. Her tongue is 20 inches long and purple in color. It protects her from thorns. Giraffes eat 75 pounds of leaves every day. That's like eating 300 bowls of salad. Now for the most exciting part. Gigi's heart weighs 25 pounds, as heavy as 2 bowling balls. It's super strong because it has to pump blood all the way up that long neck to reach the brain. But when Gigi bends down to drink water, something magical happens. Special valves in her neck tighten up, and blood vessels get smaller. This stops too much blood from rushing to her brain. Otherwise, Gigi would get dizzy and fall down. When she lifts her head back up, everything adjusts again. Isn't nature incredible? Baby giraffes are so adorable. When a baby is born, it falls about 6 feet to the ground, but this actually helps it start breathing. Babies are already 6 feet tall at birth. And within just 1 hour, they can stand up and walk. How brave they are! Giraffes walk in a special way, both legs on one side, then both legs on the other side. It looks like a gentle dance. But when they run, they can reach speeds of 35 miles per hour, faster than cars in your neighborhood. Giraffes live in groups called towers. They communicate by humming, swinging their necks, and making eye contact. Mother giraffes are very protective of their babies. Some amazing facts. Giraffes only sleep 30 minutes a day. They hum softly to each other at night. Their kick is so powerful it can fight off a lion. And their eyesight is so sharp they can spot danger from far away. So friends, now you know how amazing giraffes are. Their strong heart, long tongue, special valves, everything is perfectly designed. Giraffes remind us how wonderful nature is. Be kind to all animals and help protect them. Keep learning, keep exploring. Goodbye friends.